Very quick unboxing for a replicator of USB Type-C. This is for MacBook. If you have a MacBook, it should give you ability to connect Ethernet 1 gigabit per second and additional ports, SD card, USB A3, USB A3, USB-C 3.1. This is of course the speed and the ability of the USB port. Also HDMI 4K 30 Hz and Ethernet gigabit. Actually I bought it for the Ethernet gigabit. So let's open this box, not very gently, and see how it looks. iStyle. And how do we get the iStyle out? Yes, we can take it out. Very nice aluminum metal box. As you can see, everything looks sharp and nice. I think I see a dot of a LED, and this is the HDMI, this is the USB 3, this is a USB Type-C, SD card, micro SD card, and on this side we have the Ethernet here. That's all. Look nice. This is an Apple part, so I bet it's a very high quality. And this is what we have. Thank you and bye.